Alright, so what do we have here? So this is a music generation model, but this is different from what we had so far. This was not trained into actual music. It was trained into music theory and instruments and how that works. So you can use this AI to generate loops of certain instruments, and then you can use that to create your music. So it doesn't kill the music creative process, it just helps you to create the instruments and to build loops and arpeggios and all of that, which is very interesting. Let's hear a few examples. Alright, so as you can hear, this is very good quality and it's stereo. You can definitely use this in a music. Alright, so as you can see, this is very good quality. You can build a lot of instrument loops, so you can mix them into your preferred DAW and you have interesting music there. The generation is done with prompt and you can specify the instrument, even the texture and the timbre, if it's gritty, if it's wide, if it has reverb, if it's clean. I'm gonna show you how you can use it on your computer. This guy here made a ComfyUI custom node. You can install it with Comfy Manager, but it doesn't work, unfortunately. It could work if you modify the security config on ComfyUI, but I won't do that. So I'm gonna do the manual installation instead. It's pretty simple. You just need Git and Conda. After you have that, you can just go into your custom nodes folder, into ComfyUI folder. So here is your ComfyUI folder. Go to custom nodes, open your terminal and then type this. cd into the just created folder and then install the requirements. That's it. But you need also these two things. You need this. So I'm gonna leave all of this in the description so you can just copy and paste into your terminal, because this should be installed with the init Python, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do the manual, so I need to copy this. And then after you install this, you install this one. So copy this and paste into your terminal and done. After you've done that, you restart your ComfyUI. You're gonna have here into templates and here, ComfyUI Foundation-1. So click here and this is the workflow. You might have missing nodes, but you can fix by going into the manager, custom nodes, and then search Foundation, and then you're gonna see this. So try update and then restart again, and then it should work. Right, so what do we have here? We have a few nodes, and this is the model. It should download automatically, and if it doesn't work for some reason, get an error, you can just change this into SDPA. It's slower, but it works. I don't need this. I need just this too. And here you can choose the BPM, so how fast your music. You can choose here how many bars, You have two options, 4 bars and 8 bars. The key, this is very interesting, so you can select the key your music is supposed to be in, and you can do multiple generations, and then all of the generations should mix nicely with your other generations. And you have another options here. You should just leave at default, and you have here some example prompts. So you can just try it, and let's try a few things. So I'm gonna try a gritty bass arp here. Alright, not bad, interesting. Let's try something different. Let's try this one. Okay, not what I was expecting, but I find that it works best by using the example prompts, but it's just a matter of using the correct words and it should be good. Now, if you want to know how this works below the hood, you can just go to this video. I'm gonna put in the description. This guy explains it very well. So that's it. Foundation-1, the new way to actually make new music and doesn't sound AI-ish like the AI music we have been hearing all this time. So let me know what you think and see ya.